So hopefully you can see me and you can hear me. I just wanted to really share this, that like I'm producing like crazy, and I just had this moment. I fucking love this composition that I have made, and I have a few thoughts that I want to share with you. So let me just show you. This is the project, right? And listen this. Yeah. It's like crazy. I mean, I really love it. So I wanted to show you what I'm using, and I think this is the moment, like, I have the Native Instrument complete bundle, and there's just so many things, and many times I'm not using more than a half of it. Now, this is the kinetic toys. I am sometimes using it, but not as much as it should be used. And I thought to myself, this is the moment right now, like Halloween, crazy stuff, trick or treat, whatever, and listen this one. Okay, I have put a little bit of effects on it, because if not, it sounds like coming out from factory. But the base idea is this one, and listen. Crazy. Right? But this is yes? So crazy, right? I mean, and back to the beat. Come on. This is, I love it. And the same for the beginning. Let me just show you again. I used the kinetic stuff. Like, I am having so much fun. I just wanted to share. This is something that I have to share. So, and fortunately I can share this. Yeah. Oh, come on. Tell me, what do you think about this? I mean, in the comment section below. Come on, in the comment section below. Tell me, what do you think about this? This is crazy awesome. Listen. I mean, come on. It's fire, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I'm having so much fun with this composition, and I'm so happy that I can share with you this one. I mean, come on. And kinetic toys, so Native Instruments. I mean, I'm enjoying using Native Instruments, and I would love for them to, develop, because there are so many cool instruments. It's always about how do you use it. Listen this. Oh, crazy. And this is another kinetic. So this track, I'm with kinetic toys, right? So this one also, listen. All right, I mean, crazy. And in the track is like, yeah. So if you want bangers like this, tracks like this kind of tracks, I mean, go ahead, just open up Native Instruments Kinetic Toys and you have the best sounds really to create this kind of compositions. I mean, it's crazy, right? Come on. Yeah. Exactly. So I hope this is working the system and I could share with you this moment. So do not forget, tell me in the comment section below, is this a fire composition? Do you like it? And see you next time. Yeah. Come on.